If you have IBS or sensitive stomach, meal planning can feel exhausting. Today, I'm showing you how I use Google Gemini to create a full 7-day IBS-friendly meal plan in under 1 minute. Let's dive in. First, I tell Gemini to act as an expert nutritionist specializing in low-FODMAP diets. I asked for budget-friendly meals with under 10 minutes of prep time. And here's the secret. I asked it to make 2 portions each evening. Dinner becomes next day's lunch, saving so much time. Look at what it created. Delicious meals like garlic-infused chicken noodle balls and egg salad toast. It completely avoids high FODMAP triggers like onion, garlic, and wheat. Plus, it lists daily calories, protein, and salt totals, so I know I'm hitting my nutritional targets. Best of all, Gemini automatically built a ready-to-use Google Keep shopping list with clickable checkboxes. All ingredients are standard items from UK supermarkets like Tesco or Sainsbury's. No manual typing needed. I've pasted the exact prompt in the description below so you can try it yourself. Quick reminder, this video just shows how to use AI for organization. So always check with a dietitian for medical advice. If this video helped, hit like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.